Hello, in the first part of this project, we have achieved the inference of Neural Chat 7B V31 model from Intel. So we have done inference using OpenVINO. So in the first cell, we are installing the required packages and setting the environment for the notebook. So we have installed OpenVINO, Optimum Intel and PyTalk. So coming up to the next model, this cell loads the model configuration and sets up the model ID and language. It checks if the configuration files exist in Hugging Face. If yes, it downloads it. So the model we have used is a Neural Chat 7B V31. So coming up to the next cell, this cell prepares for the model for conversion to different formats FP16, Int8, Int4 and displays the toggle buttons for model which uses Optimum's CLI command to convert it. It attaches event handlers to buttons to perform conversions when toggled. So coming up to next cell, this cell calculates and displays the size of the model in different formats and compression rates. Coming up to the next cell, this cell allows us to drop down menu for the users to select the device for running the model inference. We can select any type of format, Int8, Int4 or FP16. So coming to the next cell, it runs inference using OpenVINO optimized model device and prompt and displays output and accuracy score. So libraries used are transformers, Optimum Intel OpenVINO, Talk and IPY widgets. So this part of the project provides with the user-friendly interface for running inference on different OpenVINO optimized model. So here Neural Chat 7B. So selecting the device and inputting prompts. So the results and accuracy score are displayed with the custom styling and animations. So the accuracy rate for some of the prompts and inference were 1.00. So the second part of this project is fine-tuning a LLM model using OpenVINO. So during my first attempt, I had fine-tuned a model called Distill GPT-2 in my college server, which is Dell, which has an Intel processor. So the problem there was it was fine-tuning the model, but it was not inferencing it. So I have used the cloud platform of Intel Edge. There was a limited time in this cloud, that was 1 hour. So I have used another model which is Meta Llama 2, which is data set wikitext to raw v1 from Hugging Face, using a smaller portion of minimally 1% of the data set for quick testing. So setting the Hugging Face token as an environment variable for authentication and loading the tokenizer and model from the Hugging Face. So I'm resizing the model's token embeddings, ensuring padding and transitions to a maximum length of 128 tokens. So applying the tokenization function to the data and then training the model and storing the fine-tuned model in a fine. So in the next part, we are wrapping fine-tuned model for ONNX export, which is a compatible form for OpenVINO. So the ONNX model format using specified offset of version 14. So after that, we are converting the ONNX model to OpenVINO IR and perform inference. So it was not that good inference because I have not fine-tuned the model that much because of the time constraint. But after that, when I done the benchmark test, it gave me almost 0.821 seconds for inference and throughput was 1.21 sequences per second. So this was all about our project. Thank you.